You may have watched a lot of tutorials on YouTube for creating PayPal accounts in Pakistan, but none of them actually worked because all of these tutorials have posted these videos just for gaining their views. But finally you have came to the right video, and I will tell you the only solution which works for creating the PayPal accounts in Pakistan. And for that purpose you have to open up your Instagram account. Why Instagram? You'll be clear in just a minute. The people who do not have access to any Instagram account or they do not use Insta, I will tell you an alternative at the end. So after opening your Instagram account, you have to go to this search button available next to the home button. Next, you have to tap on this search bar available at the top. From here, you have to watch carefully and you have to write exactly the same spellings as I am writing. So you have to write here, how to official 0. And if you have written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. So you have to tap on it. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works the same on both of the devices. And after that, you have to tap on this message button and write a message here. I want to rent your PayPal account, and just send this message. This is my Instagram account and I will let you rent my PayPal account as I've created the one. I will show you the proofs in just a minute, and in return I will keep a very low amount of commission in the return of the transactions that you will do using my PayPal account. And if you think I'm just a scam or I'm just lying, let me show you some proofs. Here's a client. I had provided my other services to her and you can see that she is satisfied. And as this message is from 2023, it means I have been providing my services from a very long time. And here's another one. You can see that he's also saying a thanks to me after providing my services. And after that, he had sent me a payment. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services and I have successfully provided them. You too will gain trust on me when you'll message me on my Instagram account. Believe you me, this is the only solution for now. And for those people who do not have Instagram account, just let me know in the comments and I will provide any other contact of me like WhatsApp or any of the social media that you are convenient to use, and you can contact me there. So I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.